So I did a theme today, and guess what it is? Made the girls' Easter dresses. Me? Yeah. I made this to be exact. My pattern came from violetfieldthreads.com, where you have all sorts of patterns for little girls and misses, including dolls. The size range from baby all the way up to misses. For the girls, I used the Abigail pattern, and I used the sleeveless with ruffles. You can mix and match the styles, which I love about their patterns. You can say you want sleeves or no sleeves or ruffles. Your purchase comes with details as well as how to cut it, and also the cutting instructions, which I love about that. The fabric came from Joann's, and then I also mapped out how I wanted to place the plaid and the polka dot. One had polka dots on the outside, the other one had plaid, and vice versa. Now it is time to cut out all your pieces. And it felt like I was cutting forever. I also had to cut out our sash and our ruffles. And this part is mainly just follow the instructions. Once you cut, if it tells you to trim off the excess, you trim off of the excess, and you also have to iron every step of the way. Open all your seams, press it. It makes a world of difference. The sash is gathered to go on the front bodice, and you'll see that here. Boom. Now let's attach the side to the front. Now, mind you, I am working on 2 dresses at the same time. Yeah, I know. It was a long 24 hours. But remember, you have to press. It's best to keep an iron near. That way you don't have to go back and forth. And now we're working on our ruffles for the neckline as well as the arms. And we're just pulling those ruffles. It takes so much time, but it's so pretty in the end. Once you gathered it, now you'll attach it to the bodice. Right now we're working on the neckline or the collar. And you'll attach it with your pins. I use clips. Sometimes I use pins, but clips work better for me. And now we're moving on to the ruffles for the sleeves. If you can see where it's going, you have the polka dot neckline, the ruffle sleeves to match the middle part of the dress. That's why that map was very important, because if not, I would have been very confused. Once your ruffles are attached, you'll then attach your lining. That way the lining will be encased. It won't be any open seams. It's really, really pretty on the inside, even though people may not see it, but you'll know that it's very clean and crisp. So now we're doing the skirt. The skirt was very simple. Just attach the middle to the sides, then gather. I went ahead and hemmed my bottom so I don't have to do it later. So you just take a 1/4 inch at the bottom, turn it over, and then turn it again, and then top stitch. So it can be nice and pretty. The gathering on the skirt wasn't as bad as the ruffles at the top. So you just ruffle it up on both sides, and then you'll take the top and attach it to the bottom. Pretty simple. Now to finish it off, you just add your zipper. Make sure you take your time. Use a lot of pins if necessary. So we went from this to this. Isn't it so cute? Look at it. And they loved it. If you like more videos like this, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and follow me on my other platforms.